Once upon a time, a teddy bear lived in a jungle with his kids. He has 5 kids. Once they all planned to go on a picnic. They wanted for picnic in a city park. Mom teddy bear was not happy to go there. She was a little bit worried. They enjoyed a lot there. When sun was near to set, teddy bear mom said, "Now it's time to go home. There is no one in the home. Your father is out of city." They all said, "Okay, Mom, let's go." When they reached home, they found that one of the teddy bears is not there. Mom cried, "Where is my little boy? I can't survive without him. Where is? How can I lost him? How can? I am not a good mother. I lost my child. How will I face their father? I am missing my child." She cried a lot. Suddenly she thought, "He is too young. He will be there in that city park. I should go there." She called her friend and said, "Please come with me. My young one is lost." Mom and her friend go, and all his brother and sister was praying on his all the way. She was just thinking about her young one. Her friend said, "What are you doing? Please don't cry. Your young one will be there. He can't go so far. He will be there. Please believe me." When they reached there, the sun had set, and 2 little boys were there. Teddy bear said, "What are you doing there?" They said, "I know you are the mother of Tinky. We found a little teddy bear. My house is near this city park. We found him lonely in this park. So my mother hugged him and loved him a lot." When Mom reached a boy's home, she looked and cried again. She said, "I found my baby." She was very grateful of humans. They all celebrated a lot.